7% higher. But shifting focus, sources say market representatives have sought lower STT on cash market trades against derivatives. Shivani joins in and brings in all the details.
Well, yes, the finance minister held a pre-budget consultation with the market representatives here in the Kartavya Bhavan in New Delhi, and sources are indicating some significant asks from the industry. Now, top of the list is a push to reduce STT on cash market trades and keep it lower than derivatives, something industry players say is essential for improving the market depth. There was also a detailed discussion on boosting household participation in equities, with a proposal to raise it from the current 5% to around 8%, signaling a big shift in how savings could be channelized into the capital markets. Now, another key recommendation by the industry participants was on buyback taxation, where companies want the tax to apply only on the profit portion instead of the entire buyback amount, a move they argue will encourage more efficient capital return. Now, sources also say that there is a call to align short-term dividend tax rates for domestic investors with NRIs. Right now, NRIs pay 20% in the short term, while domestic investors can be taxed as high as 42%. So all eyes are now on whether the finance ministry takes these suggestions on board as it shapes the upcoming budget. Back to you.
Well, thank you so much, Shivani, for joining us and giving us all of the details as far as the pre-budget consultations are concerned. Well, a couple of stocks on the radar. Have a look at the life insurance space, and within that, SBI Life. In the last half hour or so of the session, that particular stock has moved to the day's highest point. A couple of auto ancillaries too have moved higher. Bharat Forge, a sharp recovery in that particular name, higher by 1%. Sona Comstar also following suit. And Container Corporation of India, that particular stock, after a while, is seeing and doing quite well in the session. But with that, it's all the time we have on this edition of Midcap Radar. MF Corner when we return.